three things. I personally believe three things we have to fix. If we can fix these three things, the economy will be really prosperous and progressive. Number one, we have to fix the foreign direct investments. No economy in the world can grow very fast without foreign direct investments. Unless you are Saudi Arabia, unless you are Qatar, you are overflowing with oil, you don't need anything else except oil.
Which is, I think, where Singapore is great at, di ba? Ang
Yes.
dami naglalagay sa kanila, di ba?
Singapore, ang daming foreign investments. China grew super wealthy in 40 years with flood of foreign investments. Communist country pa yan, ha? Our neighbor Vietnam, our competitor Vietnam, is following the China footsteps. The China playbook, they are copying everything. Politically, socially, economically, strategies they're following. Most of the foreign investors are going to Vietnam, Cambodia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Philippines, one of the lowest. Number two, we have an industry that should be number one in Asia, tourism. Tourism, we have a very good tourism secretary. Si Frasco, Secretary Frasco is very personable, hardworking, sincere, and dynamic. But we have not yet maximized our tourism potentials. Our tourism numbers are so way below Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, when we have better tourism resources. So that's two things we are losing to our ASEAN neighbors. Number three, agriculture. Agriculture, we cannot ignore agriculture because without good agriculture, we don't have food security. If we don't have food security, even if we have all the money in the world, if suddenly the world suffers drought or famine or global disruption in food supply, suddenly there's no rice to buy. Even if you have all the money in the world, and if Thailand, Vietnam, India, and the others cannot export to you rice, if there's a ban on exports, what will we eat aside from bread?